In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow autoplay and enable looping for a site in Brave. If videos on a website won't play automatically or won't loop the way you expect, it's often due to a permission that's blocked by default. Brave's Shields feature is designed to protect your privacy, and one of the things it can block is media autoplay. The good news is you can safely allow autoplay on a site-by-site basis and then confirm looping from the site's own player settings. Let's walk through it together. First, open Brave's settings. You can do this from the browser menu, then choose Settings. Once you're in, look for the Shields section. Shields controls Brave's privacy and blocking features, and it's where you'll adjust per-site behavior so you don't have to weaken protections globally. Inside Shields, go to Site and Shield Settings. This is where Brave lists all the permissions it can manage for websites. Find Autoplay. This setting tells Brave whether a site can start playing media as soon as you load the page, or if it should wait for you to press play. Select Autoplay and make sure the site you're working with is allowed. If you see the site listed with a blocked status, change it to Allow. If there's a global setting at the top, keep it at the level you prefer, but add an exception for just this site so you maintain privacy elsewhere. After you change the permission, refresh the site so the new setting takes effect. If the page has multiple embedded videos, test the one you care about and confirm it starts automatically without manual input. With autoplay allowed, it's time to check looping. Looping is controlled by the site or the video player itself, not the browser, so you'll turn it on in the player's own menu. Look for a gear icon, a settings cog, or a three-dot menu on the video. Many players also support a loop option when you right-click directly on the video. Enable loop or repeat if it's available. Once it's on, let the video reach the end to confirm it restarts automatically. If the video includes sound, some sites may still delay autoplay to avoid unexpected audio. In those cases, the site may offer an option like Allow Sound or Start Muted by default. That behavior is normal and depends on the site's design. That's it. You've allowed autoplay for your chosen site in Brave and confirmed looping from the video player's own controls. Refresh the page whenever you change a permission and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.